I'm taping this video for a great young man called Abba Marcus. Abba, I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you for loving your father. I am so proud of you for loving your mother. I'm so proud of you for loving your siblings. You are a young man with a great heart, a loving heart, and a man who cares deeply for his family. And that came through in your original message that you taped about your father. I was so proud. You brought me to tears. And the fact that you called us to action made me so proud of you, made me so proud. Now that's number one. The second thing that I am so proud of you is the fact that you went public. You went public to defend your father in a very sensitive situation, but you dealt with it so eloquently and with such grace and with such with such maturity. Secondly, I am so proud of you for being a young man who brought out a sensitive issue, very sensitive, about your parents, about your dad actually, and in a public arena, and you tried to fight the bullies, these bullies that came out after you, not knowing that you were crying for your father, and you stood up to them. Kudos to you, young man. I am so proud of you for that. I also love the fact that you continue to call them out. You continue to call out those bullies. And please don't stop. Don't stop. Continue fighting for your family. Continue loving your family. That is the example of people that we want to see. You need to be able to stand up for your family. Thank you for leading the younger folks, for them to see that if you believe in something, you go for it and you fight for it. But you fight for it in a positive way. Thank you for being positive. Now, I was delighted that you were proud of your Acholi heritage. That made me so happy, because especially when you said Acholis don't play. Yeah, we don't play, and we stick to the truth, and that is what you've shown the world. Thank you for that. Now, I want to send my thank you as well to your father and to your mother. Chameleone and Daniela, kudos to you. You raised a measured, handsome, smart, magnificent, strong, respectful young man. And especially to get such a young man raised in your industry where kids are exposed, but this kid is still out and actually being very normal, speaking very normal. He only cares for you as his father. Kudos to you. And you raise him to be respectful and yet not stand down if he has to defend his grounds. What a hell of a parenting job you've done. I am so proud of you for that. Lastly, I want to thank His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. You have a heart you have a heart for all Ugandans, and it always comes out. Thank you to your government for hearing Abba's cry for his father and stepping in to take our Ugandan legend. Chameleone has been the face of Uganda worldwide. Thank you for getting involved in making sure that he has the best medical help. Thank you. Lastly, to the bullies in social media, please leave Abba alone. This is a kid that is crying out for all of us to work together to help his father come back to them and come back to us. The least you can do is show this kid love. The least you can do is extend a hand to support him. The least you can do is maybe help raise money to support his father, getting people to work together to support his father so that his father gets better. Leave the young man alone. Leave the young man alone. Let him figure out his own ways of supporting his father. And he's doing it in the most incredible, loving way. We all have family problems. And if someone comes out and expresses their feelings and their problems, it should not become the story. Because in the end, they're human beings just like you. They also hurt just like you. So please, leave Abba alone. Yours truly, your auntie from Acholi, Lilly Obina. P.S. How come you don't have an Acholi name? I want to hear you having at least an Acholi name. Add something to the Mayanja. If you don't have it, let us know. We'll pick for you a name. We love you, we love you, we love you so much. I wish your father well. I hope that you can come to Canada. You have a place to stay in my house, and then to inspire some youths from here. Okay? I love you so much. Continue fighting for your father and continue fighting for what you believe in. With love from Auntie Lilly Obina from Acholi. Thank you.